guys, it's Mary Ellen from Planning with Bumble. Thanks for joining me, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, I really appreciate it if you'd consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Okay, so this week I am doing an after the pen. I do these a couple times a month because on the off weeks, I actually like to sit down with my planner and just like fill it out in a relaxing way. I don't like to do it you know, in front of my, or like on my desk, under my lights, in front of my camera every single time. And I'm sure you can understand that. So I am just going to, in this video, I kind of alternate them. Sometimes I talk through. Some people like the really long talk through videos where I explain what I'm doing. And then other weeks I do like speed up with music because some people would prefer that because they're shorter. So this week is going to be a speed up because I haven't done one of those in a while. This is my 4th of July spread. I actually really like it. I didn't love it when I first made it, but after I filmed that video, I don't know if you saw the video, but after I filmed that, I added these fireworks, like I drew them at the top, and that kind of made it better. I really like it. So I am going, it's Sunday right now, and I'm going to sit down and just film it. And then like I'll take you through the week and I'll tell you what day it is and I'll just show you what I do each day. So I hope this is helpful. Okay, so it's still Friday. It's not Saturday yet, but I think I'm gonna end this video because I am going to my boyfriend's house tonight and I'm probably staying the weekend. So I don't wanna like have to come back here and film the rest of this video. So I'm gonna end it here and you can see a picture of my after the pen on Instagram. I hope this was helpful. I know this was a little bit different than I usually do it, but oh wait, I do have to check a couple of things off. Hold on. A lot of this like paperwork stuff I did not get done. I did email my doctor. Honestly, that's it. I have so much left to do. I was not very productive this week because I was working so hard. Work that I love, but it's also a lot of work. That's about it. I hope you guys have a really fun 4th of July, and I hope even though, you know, we're social distancing and all that, I hope you can still relax and enjoy your day. And I guess that's all I got for you. Stay tuned for Doodle of the Day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.